Yeah, I had not planned on making a video today, but I had a pretty good day. We had a couple of people show up and trade me some stuff for the Speedster project. This is one of the pieces. 15 horn, most of it. It's got the screen. That's usually not the case. So that's a really good find. Part of what I traded them was a set of coils. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here. Hang on. Alright, that's a little better. So I put the coils in the coil tester, and they needed adjustment a little bit, and I'll show you one of them. I've just repaired this one. I'll show you one of the other two. Alright, so we're over the tester. Got the coil in. This is one of the ones that he was going to take, and it wasn't right. I couldn't let it leave like that. So I tried to take it apart, and I couldn't get this nut to come off. But this is what it was doing. We've got perfect draw, but we've got garbage sparks, and if I go medium, we've got some double sparks, and if I go high, you're going to see all kinds of double sparks. So what that tells me is the tension on this top, see if I can get you in there, the tension on this top point, not this one, the one this one hits up top, it's attached to this plate, it's not right. And I can fix that in about 3 seconds if I could get this nut off. On this is one my grandfather did, and that one's fine. I just fixed this one. What I found out was the guy that restored these for me so many years ago put Loctite on the nut, which made it very hard for me to get off. So I'm going to try this one next, see if I can get that off. Just for comparison, here's the other one that I didn't want to leave because it wasn't right. See, that one drawn just a little high. It's got decent spark. It's missing once in a while. And if I go up on the voltage, this is what we were trying to fix. You watch it's all over the place. So this is also one that I could not get that nut off. So the way I got the nut off of this one was I put some heat to it, which is exactly what I'm going to do now with this one. Probably shouldn't be done where I'm doing it, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay, I was able to get both of these loose. A little bit of heat. Let's take these off. I'll show you my trick. Get rid of that double spark. Just got distracted. I see a little date on the bottom of this. January 2000, my grandfather's handwriting. I think that one's going to stay in the family. There's that nut. It's still hot too. Ooh, this one's still hot too. Okay. Here's my trick. Paying attention? Just take the end of a socket, screwdriver, anything round that won't dig in, and scratch that surface. And then throw it back on the coil. Now these are brand new points. It works with the old ones too, sometimes. If it's already been done to the old ones, then it probably won't work. But all that does is increase the spring tension by shrinking one side. I'll take this over to the tester and see if it works. Probably going to need some adjustment, but let's see what happens. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's go to medium. Oh, that's a good one. Good solid spark. I'm surprised it's drawn that low. I really don't want to mess with it. Yeah, so that one's done. This one's fixed.